These tension rods, and the new bushings loaded up. The old daily, Graham Marcus. Let's go. Pretty certain, and I'm gonna need a throwout bearing at some point as well. I don't know if you can hear that. Our Betsy has no problems. Oh, my freaking parts got here. Let's go. We gotta open them up. Puppers. Okay. They really made sure that these were not gonna fall out. Oh, look at that. Oh, is that a sticker? Let's go. No way. What we got here? That's it right there. Bada bang. This is almost my favorite part about getting parts is buy a certain brand of parts. I always put their sticker, if they send it to me, I put their sticker on my quarter glass, and my whole driver's side quarter glass is full of stickers. These are the ones I haven't ripped off yet or like sun damaged, but I have the Energy short hub. I went to Formula Drift Japan. I have a Brad Lomax. I have SSR wheels like that. I went to Yoshio Factory and Okachan handed me this sticker. I got a bunch of GK Tech stuff. I went to Stance Nation. I went to Fuji Speedway. And this one is from Up Garage. That's pretty cool. So now I have a Megan Racing in Enjuku because I ordered my turbo from Enjuku. What's up, guys? Last week we left off where I wasn't able to get the tension. Well, I could have taken them out. I wasn't able to get the tension arm bushings in. I don't have a press. And the bushings showed up on Wednesday when I was editing last week's video. This week we're going to get those out. We're going to get them pressed out and put the new ones in. I'll show you the new ones compared to the old ones, but let's dive into getting the old tension arm bushings, the tension rod, the whole thing out. Oh, we're going to be taking these nuts off first because if this is loose, I don't want to be, we're going to get these nuts off first. Oh, let's get in there. Oh, for Pete's sake. Okay. There we go. Okay. I don't have a 17 mil 6-sided socket, so that's probably why that's stuck in there. Oh, come on now. That's like almost like a castle nut, but not. It's weird. See that? Huh. It's a good way to tell that that's the nut for the bushing side, though. Oh, yeah. Bolt doesn't look too bad. There's a little bit of surface rust there. But, ow. Okay. My bad. We're going to leave all this hardware here. Actually, I'm just going to put this bolt right back through here with the nut. 1 or 2 threads on here. I always like to put these back on so that I don't lose them. Now I can't see. There we go. These can't really attach those. I could, I guess. That's bad. That's real bad. These look like wheel studs. Almost. The studs pressed into this metal. This is heavier than I thought it would be. Well, look how bad that is. Must have some oil or dampening fluid in there of some sort because it's coming out. And do the same process for the passenger side. Oh. You thought these bad Larrys look bad in the car. Just wait till you see this. Oh, that's grease. That shouldn't be on the outside. And then this is cracked. The other one's the same. This isn't straight anymore either. If you look down, like if you look down this as a straight line, this is bent. I'm probably going to need an alignment. This is all dry rotted and we don't want that. The other side looks the same. And this is the new one. Brand new. And we just put grease on here. And we're going to get these pressed out. These old ones pressed out tomorrow. The new one's pressed in. Luckily enough, I'm going to an alignment shop. I'm going to ask him if I can put them on the car when I get home, drive it out there, and then he can check my alignment, tell me what's up with it, and then who knows? Maybe I'll talk to him about my alignment and what my goals are and see if he can give me a better alignment than the other place that I went to. Stay tuned. We'll get these in the car, take it for a rip. First, we got to get them pressed out and get the new ones pressed in. These tension rods and the new bushings loaded up. The old Daily, Graham Marcus. Let's go. Gas, got the new bushings in there, wiped off the grease and stuff. These look pretty good. A little surface rust there, but not too bad. Looking good. Oh, come here. Come on. These are the old ones. Greasy. Bushings in here, and we know that this is the driver's side. Let's get them on. Probably noticed that I have these ramps here. That's because since this is a bushing with like a cylindrical, this is where the bolt goes. If we tighten this up while there's no weight on the car, it's gonna prematurely wear this. So let's get them snugged up. Oh, that's gone forever. through. There we go. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's close. There we go. That's much more better. This side doesn't have a bushing on it, so we can tighten these. And we don't have to worry about premature wear. Well, oh. Go over and get the other side bolted on, and then we'll lower it down on these ramps. Actually tighten it. With the lower control arm nuts fastened, and this is in there, it's not going to move. We're going to lower the car down, see what she does. See if this moves. Tell me if this moves. Did it move? I think it moved. I want to lower this car so bad, but because this is just over 2 fingers, I could probably lower it half an inch, but if we look at our driveway, it is not very good. Like, look at that. I think if it was any lower, I might pull my front bumper off because I have to back into the driveway. Our Betsy has no problems. Yeah. These old crusty tension rod bushings can go straight in the bin. We'll go for our first test ride with the new tension rod bushings. So it's definitely, I'm pretty sure it's still doing it. I don't know if you guys can tell. I'll try and get up to speed. The bushings get set in, and that's why I wanted to take it for a drive today, because now we can see what's going on. Pretty certain, and I'm going to need a throwout bearing at some point as well. I don't know if you can hear that. I don't know if you guys can tell. Wheel is still shaking around 90 to 100 kilometers an hour. So the tension rod bushings didn't help. I don't know what it is at this point. I think I'm going to track tie rod ends, inner and outer tie rod ends. I have no idea. Comment down below if you think you know what is causing my steering wheel shake. Tension rod bushings did not help. But thank you for watching this far in the video, and I'll catch you next week. Zenshin works out.